You told me previously that for a lot of people, it's like Christmas every day. What did you mean by that?
When you step into our community garden, I had two students that came in to videotape us, and he said, I don't know what it is when I cross through those gates in the community garden, but I felt something. And it feels joyful. It feels peaceful. I've had one of our gardeners say, this is where I come to get my peace. And there's people laughing and sharing, and they're just sharing life and with one another. And you would never think, well, I don't want to say never think, but it doesn't seem like you would get that out of a community garden. But it's just that feeling you get from Christmas where people are caring and thoughtful for one another. They go above and beyond. They give each other rides to doctor's appointments. If someone is sick, they take them a meal. They'll go knock on their door and make sure they're okay. They'll watch homes for each other. They'll bring bread or recipes that they want to share, kukuza, muffins. It feels on Christmas, everybody's sharing recipes and cookies and stuff like that. Only ours are made of vegetables, but that's what it feels like. It feels so joyful.